Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to hide photo in your Oppo A16. To do this operation, go to the photo and press on the picture which you want to hide. Press and hold, and there is option hide. Moving to the hidden place, turn on private safe mode, and enable private safe mode to secure your files. Okay, we had to set up the password. There is a helping password. Agree and continue. Access private safe in setting privacy mode. And that's it. So let's get it back. Click on the photo, hide. Find hidden album. Touch and hold the bottom tab bar or go to the albums hidden. Okay, let's try whether we have a hidden album. Let's go to the settings and search for the hidden. Hidden album. Now there is 3 dot here, edit. No, settings, sorry. Settings, show hidden album here. Yes, there is a hidden here. So you should pick up your password and there is your hiding picture. And that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.